Hondo Realty presents 1303 17th Street in Alamogordo, New Mexico. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath brick home is 1,150 square feet and has hardwood floors. And in the living room, there's a fireplace with wood burning insert. The central heat will keep you warm in the winter, and the new evaporative cooler cool in the summer. In the kitchen, you'll find all the appliances are furnished for you, including the brand new stove. There's also new plumbing fixtures and kitchen sink. In the backyard, you'll enjoy the spacious covered patio and large established trees. And for extra storage or workshop, you will also have this 8 by 12 storage building. 1303 17th Street in Alamogordo. Priced at $85,500.